Hey guys, what's up? It is me. I had something I wanted to share with you guys. The other night, I did a manual ghost box session using an alarm clock radio with a manual dial, and I didn't have a whole lot of luck. At the very end, I was putting it on a station just like this, where you can hear the white noise. And then I started hearing something that sounded, it was static, like, but it was almost voice-like. I couldn't make out anything that was being said in real time, but I could tell that it was someone speaking. I'm going to play some of that for you. Now, at this moment, when I heard this, I just had a gut feeling that it was my mother who passed away a couple years ago. So in the recording, you're going to hear me referencing my mom. Like I really felt like I was having a conversation with my mom. So I started talking about Noah and asking if she's still around watching over him. But in the recording, when you play it back, it is not Mom. You can make some of it out. It says, "I am not your mother." And then at one point, it says, "I am Tabatha." Now, Tabatha is a name that's been coming through for a little over a year now. Sometimes I reference the names that I'm used to hearing, like Lisa and Debbie, but I almost never reference Tabatha. I just never think of her name when I'm doing these sessions. And to be perfectly honest, when she first started coming through, I just had a gut feeling that Tabatha was a negative entity. Now, as far as I know, over the year, since she's been coming through, I don't believe she's ever really did anything that was malicious. So it could have just been the name that made me think of something negative. I don't really know anyone named Tabatha. So I'm hoping that she's a positive energy. But it's just really freaky. Like 100% that was just speaking whenever they wanted to. It was a station just like this, like I said. And then you would just start hearing like vowels and I had a feeling once I played it back I would be able to make something out. But I'll go ahead and play it for you guys. If you hear anything that I do not hear, because there are plenty of parts that I can't make out, if you can hear them, please drop a comment in the comment section below and let all of us know what you hear and post the time that you hear it. So if it's 5 minutes, 27 seconds, just put 5:27. That way all we have to do is click on your comment and it'll take us to that point in the video to hear what you hear. What's your name? Hello?
Can you hear me? My name is Chris. I can tell that you're trying to speak, but it just sounds like static. When I count to 3, try to speak. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's crazy. Hello? Where are you? Huh? How can you hear me? Mom, is that you? I love you. I miss you. So are you still around watching Noah? He's a little turd, ain't he? I'll give him a big hug for you tomorrow when we go pick him up. There's a bunch of snow out and it's real slick, so we're gonna wait and go pick him up. Oh, I love you, jackass. That you can say, get it? Alright, well, we'll play this and see if there's any way I can hear you. I don't know, I know it's you. Like, I hear that you're trying to speak, and it's just like the vowels of what you're trying to say. need to help, Mom. There's got to be a way that I can communicate better than this. I need to gather a bunch of scientists over there or something. I don't know if old Einstein's still alive. Try to find Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla. Those two alone right there, and we'll be having full-on conversations. I love you. And I'm gonna go listen. Bye, Mom. That was insane. It's just, there'd be no way unless that is audible in the recording for me to prove to anyone else that that was Mom. But I know. That was Mom.